So hey guys, I just picked up a set of these OBD port covers. That was pretty neat. You can see here it says do not flash, consult owner. I picked up four. There's a variety of the different ones you can get. I just got one of each to see what I kind of like. This one has a little texture, but it's perfectly made to fit over the port underneath your dash. It's a nice clean cover, covers it up. And you can get these, I mean, you can find them in different colors if you want. I like black, of course. It just kind of flows underneath because it's a white little plug underneath your dash. Something clean. So if you guys, it's a good precaution. I mean, it doesn't happen a lot, but if you guys spray cleaner and stuff to clean the plastic, you could get it inside that port, which could mess stuff up, you know. I usually spray it on a rag first, but if you did, it's just a nice piece to cover it up so it's a cleaner finish underneath so you don't get junk in there too, because that could mess up the electronics. So again, nothing fancy, but I thought it was a neat little thing to show you guys. I know a lot of you guys are K-tuned, so it's good to cover that port. Okay, so let me go ahead and put it in the car and I'll show you how it fits. Okay guys, so here's the port, the white plug here. Give it a better angle. And the plug will fit exactly on here. See if I can show you here. There's that little notch on it. Well, that cover has a little cutout, so it'll go up and over that. Let me show you here. I'm going to use this one, just the plain plastic. So you see that little notch here? That corresponds to that piece right here. And it's a snug fit, just pops in, so it's not going to rattle or nothing like that too. So try to do this with one hand here. So it just slides in, just like that. And you kind of have to wiggle it back and forth to get it even here. It's a little difficult with one hand here, but I'll show you. Okay, there we go. So it just pops in just like that. Covers it. Like I said, if you're going to town clean and spraying, you know, plastic cleaner and all that, it's just a good way to not get junk up inside that, you know, and protect the prongs on it too, especially if you guys are like having like tuners and stuff plugged into it. Nothing exciting, but it's just, I didn't even know it existed, to be honest, this little piece. But it's nice, and it's custom made. So, because they're all a little bit different. But this one fits as perfect. Doesn't rattle. That's the main thing I was worried about, if it rattled, but it's a snug fit. Okay, so if you guys want that, just type on eBay OBD port covers for Honda, and you'll see a lot of different colors, all that, and you can get the logo on them that says do not tune or do not flash if you want to. So it's up to you. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. Again, nothing exciting, but just a neat little piece. Hope everyone's doing good, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks everyone.